Here, Caleb. Here, you can hold this. No, the GoPro. Okay?
On the GoPro?
Yep. You want to control the GoPro?
How?
Just hold it. It's already recording. You just point it towards what you want to record. I've told you, because she's terrible. I've told you too many times. I've gone when we went with her in La Jolla. I told her she's the worst. She doesn't paddle. She doesn't paddle. She's mentally challenged.
What that? What that? I'm recording. How do I unrecord? How?
Push the top button.
How?